South Star Bank, SSB, specializes in residential mortgage, actual estate, and development lending, running 16 full-service branches throughout the Central Texas region. Established in 1920, the financial institution holds over $1 billion in property and focuses on neighborhood involvement and private relationships. Decisions are made locally, permitting the flexibility to observe common-sense requirements to products, offerings, and mortgage requests. In addition to lending and typical economic services, South Star Bank brings the brand new conveniences to its clients, such as online banking and cell banking with test capture, debit playing cards with card valet so you're continually in control, and a free global all-point ATM network. South Star Bank is one of the biggest impartial banks in Texas and holds an incredible 5-star ranking by way of Bauer Financial. Leadership: David Kapovic. Photo: David R. Kapovic, President and AMP, Chief Executive Officer. Lori Singleton. Photo: Lori Singleton, Senior Executive Vice President, Chief Loan Administration Officer and AMP, Special Projects Manager. Billy Fleming. Photo: Billy Fleming, Executive Vice President and AMP, National Sales Manager for Mortgage Warehousing. Joanne Bizenski. Photo: Joanne Bizenski, Executive Vice President and AMP, Compliance, BSA, and CRA Manager. Kevin Nesick. Photo: Kevin Nesick, Executive Vice President, Chief Operations Officer and AMP, Information Security Officer. Trip Ray Kropp. Photo 2. Trip Ray, Executive Vice President, Chief Risk Officer and AMP, Loan Review Manager. Robert Simper. Photo: Robert Simper, Executive Vice President and AMP, Chief Financial Officer. Cole Skindler. Photo: Cole Skindler, Executive Vice President, Senior Lending Officer and AMP, Strategic Development Officer. Brent Gibbs. Photo: Brent Gibbs, Executive Vice President and AMP, Chief Lending Office. Board of Directors: Harris R. Skindler, Chairman of the Board. Timothy R. Brown, Vice Chairman of the Board. David R. Kapovic, President, CEO and AMP, Director. Joanne Bizenski, Executive Vice President, Compliance, BSA and AMP, CRA Manager and AMP, Director. Cole Skindler, Executive Vice President, Senior Lending Officer, Strategic Development Officer and AMP, Director. Brent Gibbs, Executive Vice President, Chief Lending Officer and AMP, Director. Jonathan Champagne, Director. Doug Foster, Director. Allison Brown, Director. Tyler Renaudin, Director. Scott Skindler, Director. Tiffany Brown, Director. Brad Compere, Advisory Director at South Star Bank. You'll advantage from customized, private provider designed to meet your particular needs. All of our checking money owed encompass online banking and consignment pay, a debit card, cellular banking, and financial institution by using mail. And of course, they are insured via the FDIC one. Refer to the chart under to discover the account that's proper for you. South Star Benefits. Bring incredible financial savings and delivered fee to your South Star Bank checking account these days with South Star Benefits. Identity theft restoration, travel discounts, cashback rewards, and a good deal more. Please examine these vital disclosures about our website, our bank, merchandise, and their phrases of use. Children's privacy, commitment to accessibility, complaint notice, diversity policy, FDIC insurance disclosure, investment advice disclosure, privacy policy, social media terms of use, substitute checks disclosure, unlawful internet gambling disclosure, USA Patriot Act disclosure, website terms of use of South Star Bank, SSB, statement of condition. As of March 31, 2022, values in dollars S. Balance sheet assets December 31, 2022. Cash and balances due, non-interest bearing and AMP, forks and coin $13,642. Cash and balances due, interest bearing balances $58,312. Securities, held to maturity $10,967. Securities, available for sale $173,992. Equity securities with no trouble determinable truthful values now not held for trading $64. Federal dollars sold $0. Securities bought underneath agreements to resell $0. Loan and leases held for sale $375. Loans and leases held for investment, Internet of allowance $791,287. Trading assets $0. Premises and constant assets $40,991. Other actual property owned $0. Investments in unconsolidated subs and AMP related companies $30. Direct and oblique investments in actual property ventures $0. Intangible assets $0. Intangible assets, other intangible assets $1,299. Other assets $15,156. Total assets $1,106,115. Balance sheet liabilities December 31, 2022. Deposits $900,083. Federal cash purchase $0. Securities bought beneath agreements to repurchase $0. Trading liabilities $0. Other borrowed money $87,213. Subordinated notes and debentures $0. Other liabilities $1,618. Total liabilities $988,914. Balance sheet equity capital December 31, 2022. Total bank equity capital $117,201. Non-controlling hobbies and consolidated subsidiaries $0. Other fairness capital components $0. Total equity capital $117,201. Total liabilities and AMP equity capital $1,106,115. Buying a domestic can be interesting but daunting. We're right here to help. When you select a loan, you desire to select the proper one. Here at South Star Financial Institution, you can take gain of a range of choices whilst working with authorities who care about making sure you get the fine rates, month-to-month payment, and phrases for your economic situation. We even have options for non-traditional borrowers, like self-employed persons, humans who want low down payments, or these who desire to construct their personal homes. At our bank, it's about partnerships with people, no longer pushing products. You'll get actionable recommendation from humans who are prepared to hold your nice hobbies at heart. Contact us nowadays to get started. South Star Bank gives vast choices to serve you better. Star Advantage Program, home loans for special situations. Traditional fixed and variable rate mortgages, conventional, FHA, jumbo, rural living, USDA, VA. Low-down rural acreage. Refinance. Interim construction to permanent financing your home for mortgage lending. Our roots lie in the quiet city of Moulton, however make the circle throughout Central Texas the place you'll locate 16 South Star Bank locations. Established in 1920, the Moulton headquarters is flanked by means of places in Shiner and Gonzales. Flowing down towards Houston, you'll discover our Brazoria branch. Make the circle return north via College Station to our Robertson Country branches of Hearne, Franklin, Bremond, and Calvert. Continue through Temple to the Harker Heights branch. Head south on I-35 to the nation capital of Austin, surrounded via 6 South Star Bank locations: Georgetown, Sendero Springs, Leander, Steiner Ranch, Falcon Head, and Southwest Austin. Like all Texans, we're passionate about the region we name home. Whether you want a loan in downtown Austin or tucked away on the winding Guadalupe River, believe our nearby experts. Are you searching for a loan in Austin, Texas? South Star Bank has greater than 100 years of lending knowledge and is diagnosed as a top Austin mortgage company through Austin Business Journal. This used to be primarily based on the quantity of Austin area loans that the neighborhood workplaces closed in 2019. 170 Austin area loans for a whole of $83.35 million, plus 121 non-local loans. South Star Bank is dedicated to serving the wants of our communities, and we provide a range of personal loan lending options throughout Central Texas, spanning the areas surrounding San Antonio, Austin, Waco, and Houston. With rising domestic prices, we recognize the challenges of assembly upfront price requirements. That's why qualifying candidates will have all charges waived, which include origination, processing, and underwriting. Want to make a payment? Secure online repayments can be made 24/7. The use of a checking or financial savings account. Processing of online repayments can take up to 3 commercial enterprise days to mirror on your loan. Your account would possibly now not replicate in method repayments for the duration of this time. Payments will be credited to the mortgage high quality the day the fee is submitted. Please notice that South Star Bank has partnered with Fitech for our charge processing needs. Their software program costs the following expenses for purchaser support: software program maintenance, PCI compliance, and processing fees. A CH, e-check payments, $1